Nah, I'm gonna pump them that 6-pack. Yeah, I'm gonna put 12 inches on that dick. Yeah, fuck a 6-pack, nigga. I know, man, yeah, I knew he was bad built. I'm the one told him he was bad built. I'm the one helped. I was the inspiration for Bandman Kiwi to get the booty butt lift on his belly. Yeah, I'm the inspiration for that. I'm the one broke him down and told him, nigga, them motherfucking Gucci's and Balenciaga clothes is made for a slim nigga like me. Yeah, he knew he had to go get him one of them little bitty bodies.
Now I'm back to shoot the school up.
I'm with him. I'm in the passenger seat. I'm in the goddamn passenger seat. Drive, Kanye, goddamn it, let's ride. Nigga, run the car into the building and we'll jump out once we crash in, nigga. I'm in the passenger seat with him. If he don't want me in the passenger seat and he say, man, I'm in this by myself, I done snuck in the trunk. When he get to the school, I'm jumping out the trunk saying, no, nigga, you wasn't leaving me behind. I'm with him. Boy, when Kobe Bryant went up there in Denver to get that old knee fixed, and that old white girl took him on a tour, and he went up there and gave that white girl some of that nigga's torpedo without no rub on. I'm sorry with the young girl here, but listen, he give her that torpedo, and the boy didn't use protection. He got a wife at home. The girl holler rape. Boy raped the white gal in Denver. Boy, Kobe Bryant. Allegedly. Well, I've been alleged of many things and it ain't been proven, so fuck allegedly. Nigga, they calling me a rat and it ain't no proof. So we gonna say Kobe raped the white girl. Nigga, the white girl said he did. White women don't lie on ball playing niggas. Think about this, huh? Black people ain't gave $9 goddamn dollars to Black Lives Matter. Them been white folk giving that. Liberal white folks, homosexual white folk, gay white people. That's been everybody but black folks giving to Black Lives Matter. Now keep this in mind. Black Lives Matter is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. So they have to hire her as the CEO. So she gets a salary, right? She gets a salary. Bad as it sounds, they get a salary. Goodwill, 501c3, they get salaries. And they get good salaries. That's why black people try to get them a 501c3. So don't get mad at her for doing what black people do every day. That's why you think everybody got a nonprofit.
Yeah.
They trying to get the goddamn money. So they go buy them a house in the white folk neighborhood. Who want to live a bunch of niggas? And you got this kind of money. Nigga, please. Who wanna live among a bunch of niggas with this kind of money? Nigga, everybody trying to get to the white folks neighborhood. We all live. Y'all didn't get mad at Snoop Dogg. He live around white folk. Y'all ain't mad about Jay-Z and Beyonce. He got some niggas money went all around white folk. So they just being hypocritical. I mean, we all want to get us some money and go live around white folk. He can't go back to playing gangster after putting that makeup on his face and how makeup make him feel good and all that type of shit. He can't go being gangster now. If he go back to being gangster, should no other rapper take him serious? Yeah, if he go back to talking about he want to fight and we go request to have the makeup NBA young boy back with that white makeup on, with that lipstick and that fingernail polish. We want him. And if he better not go back to being gangster. Homie, they think it's a game. And I'm really actively, if I ain't already proved to these niggas, trying to put these niggas' ass in jail. It's a new day in town, nigga. I'm the new hip-hop police, my nigga. And I'm trying hard to put at least, before I die, homie, to put at least 100 rappers in jail. I can imagine what our ancestors is saying looking down on us. Boy, look at them down there. Boy, them motherfuckers having fun. Ooh, they having a whole bunch of fun. They don't care about nothing. Oh, they ain't got